For me, the power of the bike is that you have done it with your own two legs and your lungs. And whether it's riding to the office, whether it's riding to the grocery store, whether it's racing my bike in some sort of competitive event, there's just a certain amount of empowerment that comes with traveling that distance by virtue of your own leg power. People ask me often, what does the practice of law look like? And especially among the cycling crowd, I compare it to bike racing in that the level of discipline and preparation, the tenacity, it's the same. I will frequently compare preparing for a trial as I would with preparing for a stage race. And it's incredibly difficult. It takes a lot of time, emotional investment, energy, training, practice. You're all in. And the stakes are high, much higher in a trial than they are in a bike race. I feel that my practice is fairly unique in the way that we approach each client's case. For one thing, I maintain a very small caseload so that each client gets amazing, individualized customer service.
If it wasn't for Megan, I don't think we would have been able to make it through with our sanity or with the recovery that we were able to get.
Back in 2013, I was injured on my bike. I tried to handle it on my own. I wasn't doing very well. I had the opportunity to meet Megan. She took my case over. From the minute she took it over, I was free and clear. I didn't have to do anything. She's just fantastic at what she does.
One of the missions of Hottman Law Office is to get more people on bikes riding safely, legally, and skillfully. And so to that end, one of the biggest ways that we give back is by providing bike law education clinics and classes, free of charge, to cyclists at their bike shops or in their local bike clubs, as well as to law enforcement officers.
So I met Megan in the spring of 2013, and we were looking for something to help us educate our cops on the cycling laws in Colorado. And I was incredibly impressed with Megan's demeanor and her knowledge of the cycling laws, and felt that she was the person to bring into our agency to help us.
Part of lawyering I like the most is the relationship with the client. And knowing that at this particular point in their life, something most have never experienced before, most have never been hit by a car, I get to be the person to step in and help them make sense of a really traumatic period in their life. And when they entrust me with their case, I like to think that I'm the person that gets them through it. Many of my clients, if you ask them now, after their case is closed, they would say they've come out stronger, and I get to be part of that journey from this darkness of right post-crash all the way through recovery, and many come back stronger cyclists even than they were before.